each of the agencies will go before their respective committees to defend their budget formally. I know that PPPRA, PEP will go to downstream, NNPC, NGC will go before gas for gas infrastructure projects, and of course ZPR, PTI, PTDF will go before upstream to defend the details of their budgets. So we believe that at such a platform, you will have an opportunity to dig deep into most of the key areas of their respective budget. But let me thank the minister for coming out here. And of course, you understand the logistics issues we had when you first came in. And we thank God that at the end of the day, we've held this ministry's budget defense. We want to assure you as members of the National Assembly, on behalf of all our leaderships, that we have demonstrated our readiness and our commitment towards supporting Mr. President achieve his greater vision for Nigeria. And then that commitment was demonstrated at the Senate when we passed the Deep Offshore Inland Basin Act. As I speak with you, I can confirm to you that that bill is already in the House of Representatives. And by the time they are resuming for plenary on the 29th, it will be, we believe that it will be concurred there so that Mr. President can sign it into law. If Mr. President signs it into law in November, then of course, you know, we will take advantage of November, December, which will be additional almost $150 million to the country. So we are very conscious of that. Because as a country, we are looking for how to fund our budget deficits. And this National Assembly is poised to partner with Mr. President to ensure that dividends of democracy is extended to Nigerians because they voted us into government and leadership. So let me thank you for coming. Thank all members of your extra ministerial agency heads for also supporting you. But let me point out, because we know that there was a presidential directive that no minister, no head of agency should leave the country until after the budget defense. But I know that your head, we've not seen the head of PPRA here. We've not seen the head of PEF here. We've not seen the head of PTDF here. We've not seen the head of NNRA here. So I think if a minister can take the benefit of appearing before the National Assembly to defend his or her budget, I hope that when we get to when the agency will have to defend their budget before the relevant committees, that they'll be there. If not, we'll take exceptions to it. You know, so I most sincerely thank our colleagues at the National Assembly for making time out, because I know how busy you all are. I'm sure all other relevant, we are all members of other committees, and they're also demanding for our own time. So I thank you for coming, and I thank the minister most sincerely for coming out, taking time out to explain most of the key issues that we have raised as members of National Assembly. We look forward to working with you to especially demonstrate this same commitment towards the passage of the PIB, and then we'll push it till the very end. And also the upcoming licenses renewals, as well as bid rounds. We'll monitor it very, very closely. So we'll be expecting that you come up to brief us at the appropriate time.